Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hot diggity dog, check out this 67 Camaro. Is that gorgeous or what? The color is phenomenal. The chrome wheels, deluxe interior. It's had a body off the frame restoration. I drove this car. I put some miles on it. It is fantastic. I was so impressed with it. I literally found the guy's phone number as I was out in the car, and I texted him, I'll take 10 more, and I thanked him for such a fantastic car. 327, 4-speed. Frame off restored. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures, and that's where you find prices on 200 collector cars that we offer for sale. volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you will be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, tops down. There's a 4-speed. Let's go for a spin. Okay, so the Camaro has a subframe. It's just up front there. That was dropped down. It's got new bushings. The whole front end was rebuilt. All the bushings, ball joints, shocks, all the steering controls, the center link, tie rods, all that's redone. In back it has the leaf springs. The shocks have been replaced. The floors look really good. Everything under the car has been cleaned and prepped and sprayed, so it looks real nice. Fuel system's all new. It's a shiny gas tank, new straps, new insulators, sending unit, new fuel lines. All new brake system. It's 4-wheel disc. All 4 tires, got a disc brake behind it. Brake lines were replaced. Exhaust system. The exhaust looks new. It's shiny, it's silver. It goes into a transverse muffler, the sideways muffler. It's the way Camaro should be. And the tailpipes are nice. The bottom of the muffler is starting to get a little rusty. So the muffler itself needs to be replaced in the near future, even though it's still shiny and silver. The bottom of the motor is spotless. It's clean Chevy orange. The oil pan, the motor is fresh. Starter looks new. The 4-speed Muncie transmission also looks fresh. The inspection cover, the case, the linkage, everything about it is spotless. It's a 10-bolt posi in the back. Not 100% sure what gear it is, but like I said, I was driving this around. It's probably like a 331 gear, nice cruising gear. What am I forgetting about under there? I think that's about it, but underneath the car is really, really nice. The color. Absolutely gorgeous color. Put this on every car as far as I'm concerned. Beautiful metallic red. The body is really clean. There are no bubbles. It's smooth. It even feels slick like Teflon. All the gaps line up nice. The hood fits in here perfectly square. Each side is just as nice as the other. The hood, the trunk, it's all straight. All fits real nicely. No bubbles, no issues. So excellent body. It's got spoilers front and back. Now the paint is a metal flake. It's laid out evenly, so it's not blotchy or different colors. And then the clear coat was put on and polished out really smooth and glossy. If you're going to be extremely critical, as it's going around, there's like a two little tiny dimples, not bubbles, but like a little piece of dust or something was in the paint. And there is a chip. Before I forget, there is a chip over here that's been touched up with a brush right here. The stripe is painted on. It's smooth to the touch. A lot of the trim looks new. The bumpers have been replaced, the lenses, the grille, the emblems, the side emblems. All the wheel well moldings, the bow tie mirror, the door handles, the frames around the vent windows real shiny. All the trim around the windshield is straight and shiny like it's new. New windshield. Torque thrust wheels, they're 17-inch aluminum wheels, but they're chrome plated. Firestone Firehawk performance tires. So it really, them wheels really give it some pizzazz. Not that it needed it with this color. 327, power steering, power brakes. All new deluxe interior. Now the deluxe has upgraded upholstery, has the white stripe in it, which is really cool, has the molded armrest door panels. So this is new. All the metal's repainted. Seats have new cushions, new upholstery. Carpet was replaced. Has rubber GM reproduction floor mats. It's a power top. It's a white convertible top. It's power. It works real nice. Top is new within the last couple of years. It's in excellent shape. SS gas cap, new tail lights, new bumper. Clean trunk compartment. Solid metal, gray spatter painted. New rubber mat, matching tire cover. Has a spare, has a jack. New weather strip, new well liner. All the seals, like the gaskets around the door handles, the fuzzy window seals, the rubber around the vent, the weather strips on the top, all that's been replaced. New door latches, new sill plates. The interior lights work, even at the back of the console. Console's in really nice shape. Also has factory gauges, the tachometer in the dash, the 3 round gauges down below, the heater control panel, the lenses, the instruments, all that looks like new. Dash pad's new. So it is a 327 motor, 4-barrel Edelbrock carb with the electric choke, Edelbrock intakes painted orange, double hump heads, has an MSD ignition system. The exhaust manifolds are the stock manifolds. They've been treated. The shroud, hoses, spring clamp cables, the cap, everything looks proper. It has a hood insulation. The power brake system looks like it's all relatively new. Hurst shift linkage sticking out of the console. Visors, mirror, all that looks new. But it's absolutely gorgeous, and I felt like a celebrity driving the car. But it really drove nice. I mean, it just shifted through the gears. It steered, it stopped, it started. It did everything right. I wouldn't be afraid to send my daughter 300 miles in this car, only if she knew how to drive a stick. But the point I'm making is I felt real confident in this car. Little bit of freckles on the chrome on the steering wheel, horn ring, but the black part of it's excellent. The pedals are all real nice. Even up under the dash looks nice and clean. The kick panels are real nice. So we got a good one here, folks. This is not your typical. This is a really good one. I've bought other cars from this guy, and I literally said, get me 10 more just like this. So there you have it. That's my impression. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to reach out to the salesman. They'd be happy to answer your questions or concerns. They can also get this delivered to your driveway. They can help you get financed. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new one's posted. Thanks for watching.